This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coffee cup and lid organizers, specifically these Restpresso bamboo coffee cup and lid organizers. We have several here, and the first is this 4-section revolving unit. So you can see it's easy for your customers to spin it and get at their desired items, and it allows you to also do things like load up matching and compatible cups and lids, so you have a nice selection out, and you can see it's got this really deep capacity here. It's 18 inches tall and about 9 inches across, meaning it's going to fit a lot of different sizes of cups and lids, and you're going to be able to really stack them up high so you don't have to restock it too often. And we have this one here in black. We've also got our natural colored single spot lid cut or napkin organizer. This one is 4.5 inches across by 8 inches tall. And this is a great unit to put out when you just need to display a single item. So think just being able to put out a stack of lids for customers to grab one for themselves, or a nice pile of napkins, or even some cups along a self-dispensing coffee unit. And then finally, we have our lid cup and condiment organizer. This is a great unit that's got a generous size. It's 15 by 14 by 9.5 inches deep. And you see you've got these great open spots to do things like stack up lids, cups, put out things like napkins and even drink stirrers, and also to put out your various different accoutrements for your coffee. So think creamer and other options like that, and also your various different sugars and sweeteners. So it's a nice piece if you really want to set up a really great self-service area for your customers. These are all made from bamboo, which is sustainable, durable, and chip resistant, making them a fantastic item for long-lasting use in those kind of heavy traffic areas. You have these great options for a variety of setups, like the multi-compartment revolving one, or just single items, to full-on setups that include things like condiments and other items to go with your coffee. And these are great for those self-service areas and stations, to go behind your counter to help organize your own spaces, or just out on things like a breakfast buffet to help keep them neat and organized and presentable for your customers and guests. They have this nice natural touch and feel to them because they're made of this great bamboo. They have those simple, clean lines, and the colors are nice neutrals that are just going to go with any aesthetic and decor. So these are great for hotels, caterers, coffee shops, tea and coffee carts, or just to go in your office break room.